Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I've posted a video, so I'm back today with a junk journal with me episode. I do have my daughter who is 10 months old beside me on the floor, so you may hear her throughout this video, but anyway, I wanted to share a junk journal with me to sort of try and get back into making videos. I've taken a small break to work on my books because I have a few releases that I really want to get done before the end of the year. But this page is sort of, I did a few different things. So here you see me adding in an extra page of this sort of like galaxy paper, scrapbook paper, and I included that in my journal because I had a specific quote that I wanted to start my page based on, so that's why I added that paper. And the page to the right is actually a printable from the September zine, which is in my Etsy shop. And when you fold that page out, it's basically just got a few different linen pieces all on one A4 page, which you can use in a number of different ways, and you'll see me use it later. So that comes as a digital paper in the September zine. So this little piece of paper, the floral paper, is wallpaper, and I'm just using that to decorate the page a little bit before I start writing. I just wanted to make it look a little bit more pretty and a little bit more in line with my personal style. So I played around with where I could stick that, and I put it along the bottom of the page with the starry sky. And I also have a little scrap of ledger paper which I'm going to use to write on for some of this quote. I'm writing some of that out with a white pen straight on top of the scrapbook paper, and then I'm just adding a few little dots with that white pen to sort of blend that floral wallpaper into the page a little bit. So I'm just writing the rest of the quote out on the ledger paper with a black pen, and then I'm just going to glue that straight down on top of the Galaxy scrapbook paper. And then once I do that, I just want to decorate it a little bit further, so I used some washi tape to stick above and below that little piece of ledger paper, which just decorates it a little bit more and helps it stick onto the page. Then I have a few pieces that I'm playing with. I have a butterfly die cut from the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection, and then I have this scrap of black cardstock which I thought I could incorporate because this page is a little bit darker. So I thought about sort of bringing in some more darker colours, which is not my usual style, but I just had a little play around with this, and I punched out a floral pattern, but I decided that it just looked a little bit too dark for me. And in the end I didn't use that. So I thought I could use it as a pocket or something, but because I wasn't loving it, I just left it to the side. And then I decided to add this butterfly to the page as sort of so that it looked like it landed on the page. And this is an idea that I totally stole from Moonside Parlor on Instagram, which I'll link below. She did a Instagram post where she shared this idea, and I've seen it before in scrapbooking, but I've never really seen it on a junk journal page, and I just thought it was a really pretty idea. So all you do is just stitch down the center of the butterfly onto the page, or you could use a stapler if you don't sew, and then it sort of just looks like the butterfly has landed on the page because the wings are free to sort of lift up and down. On the page beside it, I just added a label sticker for the date and did a bunch of journaling, so just plain old writing. And then inside this page, which is the printable that comes in the September zine, I am just going to use this as sort of like a mind map page. So you could use this for any mind map idea, or you could just do any sort of different journaling in here. It doesn't have to be a mind map, but I decided to do this page all about my dream home. Just wrote out my dream home in the middle of the page on the doily, and then I just filled out all the little doily writing sections and anywhere else I could fit things with with my idea of my dream home, basically. So you could do this for anything that you want to mind map, or you could journal in other creative ways on this page. But yeah, so that is what I did, and it was quite fun to include that. So that is the journaling spread that I'm sharing with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to thank you for stopping by my channel again today. I'm sorry that I've been away for so long, but I do plan on coming back very, very soon with a journal release. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing really, really well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.